Hello ladies, this is your mommy TikTok and you are watching my series entitled No to 50-50 Relationship. Right now, I will give you examples of a 50-50 relationship, okay? Number one, you are a breadwinner, no? You are a breadwinner. Then you get married, no? This is the scenario, no? So you will give your 50% as a breadwinner to your parents and to your siblings, no? The other 50% is allotted to your family. Kasi you are now creating a family, right? So, can you imagine what will be left for you? No, that's my question, no? Okay. So, number two, why no to 50-50 relationship? You know, it's like this, no? You have a job, no? Then you will come home. Diba? When you come home, bago ka nga umuwi, pupunta ka pa sa grocery, o kaya sa palengke, no? Then you, when coming home, ikaw pa magluluto, no? Tapos, you will take care of the children, no? Tuturuan mo pa sila sa assignment. Tapos, you wash the dishes, no? O kung may uniform ka sa office, lalaban mo pa yung sa uniform mo, no? Tapos, you will tuck your children to bed, no? Siguro bago ka makatulog ay mga 11 PM na, no? Then you will wake up the following day, siguro mga 4 AM or 5 AM to prepare the children going to school, no? Siyempre, ikaw din papasok rin sa office, no? So, nakita mo, no? Para kang may dalawang trabaho pero isa lang ang salary mo, no? Nakakapagod yung lady, sa totoo lang. So, another thing, no? If you are on a 50-50 relationship, no? Hindi mo na ma-maximize ang potential mo, no? You know, sa sarili mo that you are that good, no? You have the potential, no? Pero kasi you are on a 50-50 relationship, parang ang hirap na, no? Na ma-let go ang iyong job, no? Lalo na kung medyo ito naman ay medyo high-paying job, no? Parang you are stuck on that job. Sometimes you do not like that, but most of the time, no, yung iba ayaw talaga, no, sa trabaho. Napilitan lang kasi siguro high-paying yung job pero very stressful, no? Parang hindi mo kasundo yung mga co-employees mo, masyado nga parang rat race sa kumpanya, no? Lalo na pag nasa sales ka, no? Sobrang matindi ang pressure dyan, no? So, minsan mababurn out ka, no? Pero, alam mo yung mababurn out ka pero wala kang choice, no? Kasi you have to go to job to earn, no? Kasi ang family mo nakadepend, no? Sa salary mo rin. Kasi you're on a 50-50 relationship with your husband, no? So, hindi mo ma-let go kasi hindi mo alam kung ano, no? Kung ikaw ba'y mag-a-apply sa ibang trabaho, baka hindi ka matanggap in all, no? But the family needs the 50%, no? Your salary, no? To augment, no? Your way of living, no? So that's one thing. Oh, here's another thing. For yourself, no? If you are on a 50-50 relationship, for sure hindi ka makakapag-ipon, no? You will be deprived of so many things in life, no? If you are in a 50-50 relationship and you are on and you already have a family, no? Kasi minsan, if you really, sometimes you want to pamper yourself, no? Pero iisipin mo, naku, yung budget ko, it's allotted for the education of the children, no? Gusto mo magpaspa, gusto mo what else, magpasalon, no? Gusto mo manood ng sine, no? What else? Gusto mo kumain sa buffet, no? Ano pa ba? Gusto mo mag-travel, no? But all these things, no, siguro magdadalawang isip ka kasi kikwentahin mo yan, no? Siyempre, mas priority mo, no, natin, no? The education of the children, the food for the children, no? The kuryente, no? The rent of the house, the mortgage of the car or whatsoever, or mortgage of the house, no? Ano pa ba? And all the utilities, no? Yung grocery and all, no? Iisipin mo yan, no? Kung para sa sarili mo, medyo skip ka muna, no? Kasi the budget will go to the family expenses. Okay? So, minsan yun ang nagiging way, no, para maging bitter tayo sa buhay, no? Tapos nakikita natin yung mga friends natin on a, na wala sa 50-50 relationship at sila ay medyo well off, no? At ang mga friends natin ay nakapag-asawa naman ng provider and protector at nakikita natin sila nasa mall lang, gigising ng tanghali, no? They have maids, no? At ang mga anak nasa exclusive school o kaya sa mga private schools, no? At nakakapag-tour. Tapos, yun yung mga chances na nagbibigay sa atin ng bitterness sa buhay, no? Pag nakikita natin yung ganong scenario, parang nagiging negative ang approach natin sa buhay, no? Hopefully, hindi sa atin yung ladies, no? Pero, somehow, somewhere, no? Kung matitrace mo, no? Medyo may contribution yung ganon pag nakikita mo. Halimbawa, eto nga tao na to, dati, eto nga hindi naman to ganun kayaman o whatsoever, no? Pero ngayon, ang ganda na ng buhay niya, nakapag-asawa lang siya ng nikaya o nakapag-asawa ng afam, ganun, di ba? Parang natitrigger tayo, no? Pag nakikita natin yung mga ganung klase ng buhay na medyo comfortable life na ngayon ay meron yung mga friends natin, relatives natin, kapatid natin, no? Medyo triggered tayo sa mga ganon, no? Here's another thing. Guys, this is for you, no? If you are on a 50-50 relationship, no? Parang humihina, no? Yung ating pagiging provider and protector of our family, no? Bakit, no? Kasi if you are on a 50-50 relationship, ang decision making dalawa kayo dyan, no? Siyempre, kung ako ay ako babae, ikaw lalaki, pareho naman tayong nagpo-provide sa family, hindi pwedeng hindi ako konsultahin, no? Kasi I have a say. The wife always has a say, no? If you are on a 50-50 relationship. So, medyo mahirap mag-decision on your own kasi you will always consult your wife, no? In all aspects, no? Kasi gastos yan, no? Decision yan, no? And parang hihina, no, ang capacity ng lalaki, no, to lead the family, no. That's for me, no. Kasi it's supposed to be, if the man is the provider and protector of the family, no, ang sole decision will come from him. Yun ang isang factor na nakita ko if your husband is a provider and protector of the family. So guys pa rin, ano, when you are on a 50-50 relationship, no, actually nami-minimize yung inyong potential, no, to grow, to mature, to earn so many more, no? Kasi parang nilimitahan mo na yung sarili mo, no, na okay naman nasa we can survive, no, kasi hati naman kami, 50-50 naman kami sa gastusin and all, no? Parang ang bilang lalaki, no, yung potential to earn, no, to your full capacity ay hindi na, ang tawag dito, hindi nagagawa, no, kasi naging ang lalaki naging stagnant, no, naging komportable na lang, no, kung ano yung kinikita niya, no, parang ganun na lang ang buhay, no, naging na lang din, no, kung ano meron yun na yun. Pero alam nyo guys, i-resent nyo yan, no, yung sitwasyon na yan, no, for sure, na nakikita nyo na hindi kayo ang decision maker sa family. I-resent nyo yan. Kasi that's your design, guys, to be the decision maker of the family, no? Parang nagwi-weekend, no, yung inyong what do you call this? Yung character, no, as a decision maker of the family, no? Kasi ang decision, ang hirap pag mag-decision. Isa nga lang, mahirap mag-decision, tapos dalawa pa kayo nagdi-decision, magulo yan, no, guys, no? This is for you, guys, no? And last but not the least, no, if you are on a 50-50 relationship, ladies, sad to say, but not all naman, but some, no, of the husbands will fall into cheating, no? We will discuss that, no, for marami tayong discussion about that, no? So for now, that's all, and I want to thank you for watching, and hopefully you will follow Mommy TikTok, and until next time, thank you, bye for now.